Big wheel. The Jumbo comes with 8-inch wheels for a sturdier ride. Travel light. Lightweight design and easy folding mechanism make picking up and carrying the Jupiter easy. Bright idea. 7 light patterns come pre-programmed. Built for fun. Sturdy wide deck and durable frame are built to last. Brake style. The Jetson Jupiter comes with rear braking. Top reviews from the United States. Well-made rides great. 12-year-old daughter loves it. My 12-year-old daughter loves her new scooter. This thing is quite a bit bigger and higher off the ground than her last two, but she got used to it in a day and is glad I forced her into a bigger kid one. It's really sturdy. It was really easy to finish getting it together after it arrived. The only thing is it's too hard for either of us to get it unfolded, so we can't really use the fold feature it has. But that's a minor thing to her. I highly recommend.